Yeah, the same way you go. Yeah, we just bought 75-inch TV, LG UHD. Yeah, so we're gonna unpack it now. That's how big it looks compared to my other TV. Look, that's 55, 54 inch, the one behind. So we're gonna unbox it now. Yeah, so time to fit the legs now. What I'm doing, it's almost, there you are, that's my TV. What I'm gonna do, just only unbox all the boxes here. Look, it's time to fit those legs. Then I will actually show you how I actually done all the setups and all that.
So clean it, we'll clean it up and do it again.
Okay, time for setup now. Country, language, okay. There you are.
Install display and promotion purposes. On mode. Yeah, let's connect it to the Wi-Fi. Alright, passcode is from Motorola.
Yeah, you can. Okay, basically, so you select your internet and
Step 3.
you log on to it. That's it. So you're gonna notice.
Skip this.
Where I got light on.
Turn that off. It's gonna
Select all.
you can go to work on the additional transfer.
So you just need to select the user agreement and select what you want. I'm gonna select all. Then you agree. Then you continue with what?
What's that? I just done it, bro.
Yeah, just you got to tick the bottom. You need to go down as well. Scroll it down.
Let's just skip this step, bro.
Yeah, you can skip it if you want.
Please check at least one item and.
Get ready to watch TV. Turn it on. Okay.
No, not like the skybox or anything like that. Alright. How do you get your TV signal? Obviously, TV and set-top box.
So device connector. What are you gonna connect now? You're gonna do screen share, content share, TV control.
No, the screen share. Let's just screen share.
I'm gonna try doing screen share now.
But I'm to go get my.
Okay guys, I'm gonna get back to you as soon as I complete all my settings. It's getting a bit boring now. So let's come back to you all after I finish everything. Okay, stay tuned.
To me and cared for me just a little bit more, you wouldn't be worried, would you?
Listen to me,
No,
right?
you listen to me. Lisa checked herself into a psych unit yesterday. And I would do a paternity test today to prove this baby's yours. Yet here I am, defending myself to the man I love. And hand on heart, that makes me sick to the stomach.
Whenever she called his name, in the toilets, storage cupboard, A&E, maternity. All because she had this flipping face on her, you know? It sounds like a lot. She loved you, Benny. I think you've just got to find your loves where you can in here. Listen.
In 1994, this natural wonder became a UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site. And since Doi Moi, the introduction of a new era in communist northern Vietnam, the country has been open to foreign tourists, with many flocking to visit Ha Long Bay. Around 8,000 tourists arrive to the bay daily, and the first port of call for them is the Bai Chai tourist boat dock in Ha Long City. Most visitors come from neighboring China and from South Korea.